Tired of digging through your wallet at the checkout? There's a surprisingly easy way to pay using something you probably already have with you, your MacBook. That's right, you can use Apple Pay on your MacBook to make in-store purchases. This works specifically with MacBook Pro and MacBook Air models that have Touch ID. First, make sure Apple Pay is set up on your MacBook. You would have done this when you initially set up your computer, but you can check in System Preferences under Wallet and Apple Pay to be sure. Now, head to a store that accepts contactless payments. Look for the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbol at the checkout. When it's time to pay, inform the cashier you'll be using Apple Pay. On your MacBook, a prompt should appear to authorize the payment. The prompt will appear on the top right of your screen. Simply place your finger on the Touch ID sensor to confirm the transaction. Make sure your finger is clean and dry for best results. Keep your MacBook near the payment terminal, and just like that, your payment is complete. Your MacBook acts as a secure and convenient way to pay, just like your iPhone or Apple Watch. So next time, leave your wallet in your bag and enjoy the speed and ease of Apple Pay on your MacBook. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Apple tips and tricks.